COVID-19 has made it critical to take steps to mitigate exposure and help protect people from the effects. Organizations find themselves having to implement new policies and put new safeguards in place in order to conduct business safely. Dust-Free PC makes it easy to start protecting your organization today. We have developed a full line of sneeze guards designed to help protect personnel and clients from the potential hazards posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Our sneeze guards utilize a unique system and are designed to make them quick and easy to install with no tools needed. The result is an attractive and effective barrier to help mitigate exposure. Features include attractive design elements that won't take away from your existing decor, ability to easily form around curved countertops, and pass-throughs where you need them. Our unique system is very flexible and able to be customized. No need to screw into existing countertops. We do this by utilizing our in-house custom design installation legs with two-sided adhesive, though you can fasten them permanently if desired. No tools required for installation. Call one of our in-house consultants today. They will quickly walk you through the process and design you a custom sneeze guard. Custom orders ship quickly. Call us at 800-775-7611 or visit us on the web at www.dustfreepc.com.